Hey, July 4th, going to get some food. I'm very consistent, you know. Same stuff, everything, every day. Okay, so I extended my stay till 7th. They let me stay until 4 p.m. So that's very nice because my flight is 9 p.m. And like I said, like some places like Sea Trip is more cheaper, but some places like the hotel is more cheaper. Like now I'm getting in Sea Trip 180, and the hotel it's like a fixed price 150, but the day I booked it, the first day I booked it was like 143. And also, you know, sometimes Alipay takes a charge. Like now it took for 309 yuan. But besides that, yeah. Anyways, Hong Kong is more expensive. You know, I'm not living in the best area. I think it's near the airport, quite far from the center, like 30 minutes or something by metro. 16 kilometers. So in the center it's like super expensive. The hostels are not that expensive, but everything else is. Yeah, night there's like some street food here. You can see a plane. Yeah, I'm very close to the airport, so that's cool also, you know. Bikes everywhere, that's cool also. Very easy to navigate. I remember we had them bikes like these, but people started to steal them. And they were even for free. You didn't even need to pay. But yeah, it's kind of new ice cream. I just came out of some random station. Everything is nice and clean. Maybe I should take a bike. Oh, that's the Bund, so I'm not that far. Yo, this is kind of nice, you know, going somewhere without a purpose, just enjoying the ride. Oh, this looks kind of cool, some kind of maybe museum. I'll go take a look. Could be free, but it's not. Also, it's free. It has AC, so people are just sitting here. This looks nice. It's like the cool things are like closed. So not closed, you need to pay. But it's not free.
多了。以前好多那种离职的人都来了，都来干兼职了。
Hey, June 5th. Sunny the third day. Very nice. Going to get some food. So I just went randomly with the metro. I took the 14 line and the 6 line to the way last station near the container port. This is like the biggest ports in the whole world. So that's kind of cool still, you know, it's not touristic. Yeah, this is the place where the money is, you know, like a lot of business going on here. So I'm just cycling, looking around. Not much. But yeah, still, you know, it's interesting to see the non-touristic areas of Shanghai. Yeah, so it should be more busier. I heard like there is a big problems with the containers, but the area doesn't look that busy, so maybe they just don't have enough ships. I don't know. I heard like it's a big problem also with Brazil, with Yemen. Pirates, they need to go around, some of them. Now one container to Europe is like 20k USD. I heard it's gonna be up to 28, so that's super high. Shoot, it could be like, it was like 5-10, you know, but this is even like higher than Corona. Hey, July 6th today, and this is I think my first video. I was at the city but didn't film nothing, so yeah, I'm just, you know, chilling, waiting for flight. Not much. I'm probably gonna get the cycle, just cycle around a little bit. I woke up today like pretty early, so I went back to the hotel just to chill because not much to do today, so yeah. Anyways, hey, July 7th, at the airport, Pudong. So there is line 2, very nice. You can go directly to the airport. It's like 80 yuan, so very good price also. Very fast, all good. It's 3 a.m. or something, yeah, almost 3. I landed at 12. The immigration gave me like half an hour a talk, you know. They were like, show me your onboard ticket, you're like staying here like 1 month. I wasn't, not even a full month this year. They said like last year I stayed a lot. I don't know, there's like 4 7-Elevens in 100-200 meter perimeter. That's like yeah, that's nice, you know, like I don't need VPN anymore, and that's also nice. Like yeah. I ate like the airport, they have like a food court, good food. So yeah, anyways, I'm getting a shower and heading to bed.